So at this point on our Monday evening, we're looking at dry conditions, but that bit of a cooler breeze that is with us, keeping many areas upper 50s to right around 60 degrees. And for tomorrow, a more active setting will bring up more widespread chances of rain. But until then, things fairly quiet, to touch on the cool side. Mid and upper 50s, low 60s to the south. And considering we're in early May, yeah, cool feel is what you have across the area. Lots of thicker clouds. That breeze does have a chill to it. Our rain chances, they're just arriving on the edge of the screen and will be advancing into the area tomorrow morning. Now, as far as a strong storm threat, that is generally going to be well south and east of us, but we're very close to a few isolated storms. It could be a bit on the strong side tomorrow afternoon and evening. Big threat would be some downpours and some gusty winds that would be possible. And rainfall is something we really haven't seen much of. Our April rainfall was shy of 2 inches for the entire month, well below average, where we typically average about 3.5 inches of total precipitation through April. So a deficit as we roll into early May. Now, if you've been outdoors, you probably have noticed this. Is it the sniffling, the sneezing? What's up with that? Let's bring in meteorologist Matt Willoughby. And Matt, I have a feeling it happens like clockwork this time of the year.
Yeah,
Gotta be the allergies, right?
Honestly, yeah. I mean, for me, I have been sneezing absolutely all day, honestly.
We've been looking for like the tissues and boxes of Kleenex just to kind of battle it. But people are with us on this one. Matt, what are we feeling in the air right now?
Yeah, Chris, it's the trees. It's the trees. I can't lie to you. Right now, pollen for the trees is pretty high right now, and that's why you have that tissue right by your side right now. But as far as the grass and mold, even weeds, no pollen at all. So mainly, this is going to be the trees over the next few days. And looking at our pollen forecast, like I said, over the next 5 days, going to be low on Tuesday, but as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, they'll come up to around a medium range for us. And that's going to be the same case as we go into Friday and Saturday. Now, as you look at Tuesday, you're wondering why is it so low? Well, because we have some rain in the forecast. Chris, what can we expect for tomorrow?
Yeah, funny part about that, Matt, we can't get low pollen and dry weather. They don't really go hand in hand, do they?
No, they don't at all.
Yeah, and here's what we're going to be looking at. Matt, thank you so much for that update. Here's the rain that's coming into the area. And Matt hit that one right on the head. It's because we're going to have higher amounts of rainfall through the day Tuesday. It sort of washes the atmosphere out and cleanses us of some of that pollen. An inch or more of rain is going to be possible over the next 24 hours. In some areas, if we get a few repeated downpours, could go over 1.5 inches, even up to 2 inches. So we'll look for some areas of heavy rain. It arrives first thing tomorrow morning. Here's the clock, 7 a.m. We already have rain rolling into the area, so count on Tuesday to be wet. And if you're looking maybe for some of the primaries headed to your polling location, mid-morning, likely to be very wet. That will continue through early afternoon. Now, eventually we'll punch a little more humid air in, so humidity level is going to skyrocket through tomorrow afternoon. And that's what may fuel a few of these afternoon storms. They're going to be more hit or miss, but a stronger storm or two not out of the question as we see those roll across the area as we go into Tuesday evening. Timeline of that? 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. of a few isolated strong storms. Nothing that would be widespread, mainly just some downpours, gusty winds, and a very small amount of hail would be possible in a few of those afternoon storms. Upper 60s falling just shy of 70, although areas south of the turnpike, you may make it into the lower 70s. So for your Tuesday, stormy, unsettled weather will be anticipated. There's your highs in the upper 60s. We'll pull back into the mid 60s Wednesday. Next round of rain, that comes in very late Thursday into Friday. And again, that could bring an additional 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of rain. So all totaled here in early May, probably not the scenario you'd want to see for those area farm fields. We will be dry into the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, climbing back into the upper 60s. By the time we get to Mother's Day on Sunday, should be a great day for moms. Low to mid 70s Monday, and then we jump through the upper 70s. Nice warm up with dry weather Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and an extended amount of dry weather to round out the 10-day forecast.